na kunuhan akong dugo. Pagtingin ko, agoy, ang dugo ko nakita ko na sa may lagayan. Ultrasonography or ultrasound para sa aking body, no? Para sa aking liver. Guys, nalisang.
Wow, we are partners.
We are partners.
These skies have a different light. Why noise that keeps me up at night? I can't help but think back to you.
Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's me, Oliver Kagas and Boss Kuwan.
It's me.
It's me. I'm with Ovi. He will drive me going to Entebrock today. Ano yun doon? Sa clinic, no? Praxis.
In Anna Praxis.
Praxis. Give okay ah.
Yeah.
Ito ay praxis din yan, yung clinic na. Ngayon, hindi ko nasabi po sa inyo
Yeah, better connection.
Okay, because you know the doctor there, no? It's your friend, maybe.
Medicine is better.
It's better.
Better. Love you better.
So, hindi ko po nasabi sa inyo before ka guys. Pumunta din po kami doon before nung pumunta kami ng Netherlands. Yeah, before nung nagbakasyon kami, pumunta ako doon. Kasi po, 'di ba, sabi ko sa inyo na palaging kumakati yung mata ko, yung sipon ko, palagi para siyang nagsa-sinus, sinusitis ba, tapos ang mata ko super kate. So, yun pala, it's a meron akong allergy from pollen, yung mga grass, at merong konting allergy sa buhok ng mga animals. So konti lang naman, but yung worst is yung ano, yung mga pollen, yun 'di ba, kasi pag spring. And then sa 6 years ko po dito sa Germany, yun din ang first time na nagka-allergy ako. Sabi ko, ha, sa 6 years ko dito, ngayon lang siya nagkaganito. So binigyan ako ng gamot. So ngayon hindi na makati yung mata ko kasi palagi kong may yung pang ano sa mata ba, gagano ano talaga. Tapos yung sa ayun, meron namang sipon. Talaga nawawala-wala. Ngayon, meron akong nagpaano din ako ng blood test at saka sugar test. So,
Sugar test?
Yeah, suka.
No.
Urine, meine ich. Urine.
Today?
No, before here.
Oh,
Before.
Okay, yeah.
Blood test and urine. Para malaman ko ano pang kailangan i-ano doon. Sa blood test ko, merong nakita ang doktor na sa part ng liver ko. Yung sa part ng liver ko na meron ng kunti talaga na hindi nila masyadong ma-explain. At saka din sa urine ko, i-limit ko daw sugar. O diba, sabi ko din talaga dito, i-limit daw konti ng sugar, limitahan. Tsaka yung sabi din yon, yung sa blood din ko, limit din ang karning ano yung, alam mo yung pagkain na frozen, alam mo yun, fresh na karne okay lang na lutuin, pero yung mga naka-frozen daw, i-limit daw ko yun ng 2 weeks before ako babalik dito ngayon sa praxis na to. So nalimitihan ko siya. So ngayon magpa-blood test ulit ako para makita ulit yung kung anong mayroon ba siyang development, at saka I think urine na din ulit. Dati kagos ba no, pinakuha ako ng dugo ko kagos. Hindi ko talaga tinitingnan kasi nung tapos na kunuhan akong dugo, pagtingin ko, agoy, ang dugo ko nakita ko na sa may lagayan. No, when they get my blood, no, my blood, I saw it, I said, oh my god, that's my blood. Before, no?
You have enough.
We have enough. Maybe the doctor wants to exchange my blood from Filipino blood to German blood.
Yes. And he was successful.
That's why we need to go there again because there's some Filipino blood. Charot lang guys, joke. Filipino blood pa rin tayo. Okay, nandito sa Germany, Filipino by heart pa rin. By heart, by blood, ano pa yan. So anyway, balitaan ko rin po kayo kung ano na mangyari sa akin, kung ano bang mga sa katawan ko. Kasi feeling kasi natin no, na very healthy tayo, no? Pero kailangan din pala natin what is Untersuchung?
Check.
check. I-check ay yung buong katawan natin. Kasi dito sa Germany, maganda kasi yung healthcare system nila. At saka nagbabayad din ako ng monthly deduction yung sa sahod ko yung healthcare. Para sa atin ba, PhilHealth. Pero hindi na tayo nagbabayad, hindi na ako nagbabayad. So, kailangan gamitin din natin. So, isa na ito na gamitin natin. So, ipacheck lahat-lahat kung ano bang makita. So, pinakita din yun, nagpaano din si boss na, ano ba din si Oli, yung hepatitis. Buti na lang, negative din siya. Diyos ko, Lord. Oo, naalala ko dati na may kilala ko nagkasakit ng ganun, pero na okay naman siya. Kinakahawa din yun siya, di ba? So, buti lang, zero. Lahat talaga pinatest ni boss. Siya talaga nagsabi sa doktor na i-test mo lahat. So, ngayon, babalik kami kasi may nakita sa kunti sa liver ko. Tinanong pa ako ba? Kasi andun kami sa Netherlands, tanong ako ng doktor kasi nagtawag lang siya. Sabi niya, si Oliver ba, before ay umiinom siya ng mga tablets? Like, for example, yung dietary tablets or yung tablets sa pangpaputi ba yan? Kahit anong tablets. Sabi ko, uminom ako before ng vitamins man yun, multivitamins, but long time, I think 1 year ago, but lately hindi na. So sabi niya, more water, less sugar, less yung pagkain na matataba, vegetable daw talaga. So sabi ko talaga kay Joey din na, Joey, I think magiging vegetarian din ako. So thank you.
No adobo.
No adobo. So Joey, now you know you need to cook vegan also. So let's go. Thank you, Ove, for driving me.
You're welcome.
My father. Oh.
Ich hatte heute eigentlich anderes vor, aber
So
because of hepatitis.
Was? Guys, pauwi na po kami ng bahay and grabe naman dito guys. Naghintay kami ng almost 2 hours. Yes, 2 hours. Almost 2 hours ako naghintay doon sa reception area. Kasi naman, pumunta ako dito ngayon dito sa clinic kasi for my ultrasonography or ultrasound para sa aking body, no? Para sa aking liver, kung anong laman sa aking mga stomach ba, kung ano ba ang may nakita dyan na para makontrol ko, lalo na sa pagkain na matataba, makontrol siya. So ngayon po, akala namin kasi nagpa-schedule kami today para for ultrasound sonography, di ba? At saka pagpunta ko pala doon, 2 hours ako naghintay, almost 2 hours doon sa reception area. Pagpunta ko doon, akala ko talaga magigihiga na ako kasi ano na ako ultrasound. Hindi pa, kinausap lang ako ng doktor, mga 5 minutes lang. Tapos binigyan ulit ako ng termin or schedule next week. Ngayong next week nga. So babalik ulit ako dyan. Sabi niya sa may liver ko daw, may something sa liver ko na super taas daw na dapat i-control para at saka i-check daw nila ulit. Alam mo yung second opinion kasi nung first kasi is ano lang blood test at saka urine. So ngayon talaga i-ultrasound para makita yung anong meron sa liver ko. Tinanong pa ako kung umiinom ba daw ako ng mga gamot. Sabi ko hindi ba ako umiinom ng gamot wala. So ngayon yeah, ultrasound. Sabi din po sa galit siya kasi nga akala niya talaga namin na ngayon ang schedule. Hindi pala. So next week I'll be back again because I thought today is my sonography, ultrasound sonography.
3 hours of my life. 3 hours.
2.
And the drive
The drive, yeah.
are gone.
You're wasting.
For nothing.
You're wasting your time for nothing. Only for talking. We can make it audio call, oder? Through phone. For this, I thought today is my sonography, but nothing. So,
Aber sei froh, auf den Philippinen hättest du jetzt eine Menge Geld bezahlt und länger gewartet.
Uy, dito na tayo kina Harvey. O, daan tayo kina Harvey. Harvey! Dito kami nagtanim ng patatas. O, kung naalala nyo po dati. Dito, wait ha.
Wo sind die Patatas?
Here, this side. Dito tayo. Ito yung garden nila. Nila Harvey. Here. Where? Cannot see it. Here, da. Uy, doon siya ambition. Yeah. Nakita ko na may maliliit na ano na siya. Meron na siyang plants na green na. Wala, mag-harvest naman tayo soon. So mabuti lang, bata pa ako at ngayon pa, malaman na ba na meron pa lang something sa liver ko na dapat i-control kasi nga sabi ng doktor grabe yung pagkain mo kasi mataba, Oliver. Mga fatty foods. So kailangan kontrolin mo yan para hindi masira yung liver mo. Bata ka pa naman. Tapos sabi niya, mabuti lang ngayon nalaman na natin para makontrol mo, para mataas daw. So dapat pababain na siya. So how to make it pababa, reduce, ay dapat kakain tayo ng mga healthy foods muna. I-limit ang mga fatty. Ginoo ko. Ito sa Germany, sa Pilipinas, sa amin, wala man ganito kasi wala man din kaming pera pag check up ng ganito. Ayun. Tapos ang nag-alala kasi ayun na meron mangyari sa akin masama. Uda, over.
Bitte.
You are, what is it? You were.
I'm sad.
I'm sad. You were sad because maybe something happened to me in my liver. That's why I need to check there.
I thought we get a result, but now nothing.
Only for nothing. We went there for nothing, no?
Für den Termin.
Yeah. Who make the termin? Guys, dito na kami sa bahay and very umulan-ulan, taligsik, maambon. Ganyan si Andy, naghinta na sa atin. May trabaho pa naman ako sa hotel. Naghintay sa akin ang trabaho. La 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 la. Hindi ako makapasok kasi sarado na double lock. Hi guys, dito si Joey. Ada. Kagas, dito si Joey. Joey is to the rescue. Ayan, na sila ni Andy, wow! Look at this too. Uy, kawawa ka na. Andy, 9. Come here. Andy, shh. Andy, stop. Andy, stop. Andy, stop. Andy. Come here. Andy, come on. So, fine hun. Ooh. Yay. On, how was your trip?
Trip here.
Trip to Jerusalem.
Was nice. Okay.
Kein Stau. It was what? No traffic. Come here, Joey. Gib mal Andy ein bisschen die
Andy, komm her.
Knochen, dann ist Ruhe. So, ayan. Uy! Ipakita. Ano natin yan? Bigyan ng konting si Andy. Andy, sets. Sets, Andy. Ayan. Dapat bigyan sa Andy ng konting para manahimik na siya. Wow! La la la. Hand waschen. Ui, guck mal, ist glücklich.
Wir spielen, ja, du hast gar keine Luft.
Nein, nicht, alles gut. Ja, und nochmals? Gott. I need to show to ka, guys. What is about? Here. Oliver Kagas and Joey reading off. Please subscribe. YouTube.
Wait.
Wait. Where did you buy that? Internet.
Yeah.
How much is this for one t-shirt?
I don't know.
Okay, at the back. The same.
You can see the unboxing of this T-shirt in my vlog.
Okay.
Oh, wait a second.
Okay.
It's in your size.
Really? Yeah. Thank you. Oh, yes.
Weg vom S, oder?
Joey, look. Thank you so much.
Thanks, you.
Thank you. Hey, come here. Dankeschön.
Bitte.
Dankeschön. Wait. Who's that? Calling. I want to try. Try it on. Thank you, Joey.
And here are eggs for my chickens.
Eggs. Another eggs. Yeah. Thank you so much. 12. 12 pieces.
Ich habe 2 Boxen noch. Ich habe jetzt erstmal noch eine mit drin.
Wow.
Okay.
T-shirt and eggs.
T-shirt and eggs.
My God, we didn't buy eggs anymore. But this one normally €3.
Yeah. Cute.
And it's okay. There's a lot of eggs from the chicken.
Wow, don't ask.
Huh?
Yeah, it's okay.
Uy, thank you guys. I thank you, Joey. Uy, nabong na Juby eggs. God. Joey,
Yeah.
your eggs. Your eggs.
Yeah, I have more eggs.
Thank you so much. And also this. Wow.
Wow, we are partners.
We are partners.
YouTube partners.
YouTube. Yes, there is. Look ma.
Guck mal.
Oliver Cagas and Joey. It's the same, diba? Uy, wow, look. Come here. Ambition. Look, Ambition.
Oh, ich bin so klein.
Look, Ambition da. Wow, look there. Look there, Ambition. Look, Ambition.
Kannst du die Kamera nicht ein bisschen größer machen?
Guck mal, wow. Wow. So guys, look. Grabe naman talaga si Joey guys. And look here. Nag-invest na talaga ng new camera. Joey, you are investing new camera, no?
I'm investing in new camera.
You are investing only for this
For us.
only for this YouTube.
Huh?
Only for YouTube, no?
No. For YouTube, for Egypt, because you can use it underwater.
Ah, this one?
This is for
This
my...
waterproof.
Yeah.
Ah, wow.
You can make streets.
So if I swim in the ocean, I can.
Yeah, you need Hülle.
Ah, so cover.
Yeah, a cover, but you can use this.
Did you buy already a cover?
No,
Protection.
€100
Protection.
extra.
Ah, this is Insta360 times
This
4.
camera was €700 and the selfie stick €100 and
What?
underwater cover €70.
How much is this again?
700. With stick €740.
And where's the sticks? Stick.
Yeah, in the back.
What?
Yeah,
That is so expensive.
it's a good investment.
So I hope you will monetize.
Yeah.
And I hope you
And for wonderful movies and pictures for the Egypt.
Okay, in your vacation. So I hope you will get what is that? Verbo. Yeah, YouTube. So you can save another money again. Look at that two. This two. Look ha guys. Tingnan niyo po ang dalawa oh. Wow! Look Andy. Wow! Do you want to drink coffee?
Oh yeah, please.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Then get.
Yeah.
No. I will get for you, okay?
Okay, thank you. You're so good.
You're so good. Only today.
Good boy.
Uy, sorry.
I'm hungry.
Do you want to eat cereal?
Sorry, what?
Cereal, muesli, dahil muesli da?
Müsli? Nee.
I know what you like.
What I like?
You like coffee, no?
Like mango.
And also one stevia. Eine Süßstoff.
Ich habe Süßstoff gekauft, warte mal.
Okay.
Das hier Ding.
So we need to get coffee cream.
Guck mal, das ist Stevia. Stevia Süßstoff. I think it's better.
Okay, get one now. You need to put. Oh.
Auch schon letzte Tage, oder?
Yeah, that's also nice flash. Thank you so much. I like this. Look, I like it.
Yeah.
Wow. I really like it.
So cool.
So cool.
Please subscribe, comment, and like.
Thank you for visiting again.
Yeah.
I just finished my work today.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And you didn't sleep?
No, not yet. That's why.
Oh.
You didn't sleep.
Okay, guys, he's always sleeping in the afternoon.
Yeah, because I need to power nap. Power nap is
Power
the best.
napping, yeah.
You know?
Yeah, it's not mine, but
It's not mine. But
not everybody's like me. Andy! Twinch B!
I'm so sorry, Andy. Aber das ist für den. Hi ka guys. Hi Joey. So, wie ein Kind. So today, we're going to the city, no? Pupunta kami sa city. Igala natin si Joey kasi using his new camera. Look. Ano, what is the name? Insta 360. If you are using Insta 360 din kasi po ka guys, for example, meron siyang stick. Pwede siyang haba ang stick nito hanggang how many meters? The stick?
3 meters.
3. Oh, wow, it's so long, no? It's so long. 3 meters. And then if you are using this, and then you are recording ka guys, for example, nag-record ka na. Tapos sa record po, hindi po makikita itong stick. Ano siya? Invisible ang stick.
You can see in my vlog.
Yeah, it's invisible. But it cost 700 euro. My
Yeah,
God.
not the stick, the camera.
Das ist,
The stick, the selfie stick is 100 euro.
and the camera is 600.
Yeah, 640.
600, oh my God.
It's expensive.
It's like
but,
36,000 or 37,000 pesos. My God, I cannot
Wow.
take it anymore.
But
Sana all.
your camera is also not cheap.
I think this is-
Canon G7X is 400 euro, I think. Ich habe mal nachgeguckt, 400 oder so.
Ja,
kostet die. Ist
400,
auch
okay.
teuer.
Mhm. Oh, si Joey. Ayan. Oh. Binidyo niya ako. Binidyo tayo lahat. Wow! Wow! Pobiwa nokma. Nokma. Ano, basa na. Wow! Oh. And then, not functioning anymore. Yeah? It's kaput? Yeah? We can come here, this side. So this is the church of Badlasp. Look at the clouds, you know. What happened to you?
Wow, the sun is coming.
Guys, nalisang.
I'm practice.
You are practicing your camera. Wow! Look.
Ich nehme gar nicht auf.
Red man. Red man.
Yeah, you are just black.
You are just black.
You are just black. Mr. Black. Men in Black.
Red man, black man. You know this is Will Smith, Black Man 2, Black Man 1.
I
This
think
movie.
Ollie, I think with black man you mean another thing. I think you mean Africans. Men in Black.
Men in Black. Ah, yeah, Men in Black, nicht Black Man. Yeah, Men in Black. And how about your camera? You're always... Ah! Okay, problema.
What's that?
Yung camera. Ang haba ng camera mo. It's so mahaba. Pero kada video niya ka guys, kada gamit niya, kailangan niyang ipaano-ano pa. Dami pa yung ikan yung camera na yan. No?
Huh?
It's not easy to bring that camera. Because of the sticks. Right?
Stick is too high.
And then you need to adjust again.
But this is an invisible stick.
Yeah.
Selfie stick. Selfie stick is good.
Yeah.
You can't see this stick. You can see this here.
You cannot see.
You cannot see in the video, but you need to pay attention to the floor.
Ground.
To the floor.
Mhm.
Because you can see here, you can see the shadow of the stick, so you need to pay attention that you don't film the...
If you pay attention, how much? Because you pay. You pay the attention and how much is it?
You know what I mean.
You know what? Wale. But if you want to see the outcome, you need to check the vlog of Joey, right? Oda? If you want to see the outcome, you need to watch the vlog
The
of...
output, you mean?
Yeah, outcome.
Outcome?
You need to watch the vlog of Joey.
Yeah, watch this. You can see the stupid things we are doing in my vlog.
Wow, still working here, no? Di pa tapos ka, guys. Itong huli na to. Di pa tapos. Kaya pala sinarado. That's why it's closed, because they are working in it, no? Oder?
Yeah, they are working since 4 months, or?
Ja, genau.
Ja, schon lange.
Ich denke, das dauert noch 2 Jahre.
Langsam.
Wow, Badla Aspa. Wow, so schön. I like it here. Wow.
Der dauernd in den Bäumen.
Look here.
These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you...
It's like...
Can I ask you something?
What?
Bereust du schon, mir YouTube gezeigt zu haben?
Yeah. The behind the scene. Hi, kakain na po kami. Nandito kami sa Doner ng Las. And what did you order?
Aluminium.
What?
Falafel sandwich.
Falafel. Mine is what is it? Burger, chicken burger.
Chicken burger.
But I have no.
But your doctor says.
Your doctor said.
The doctor says it's not good for you.
Wow, I have a doctor. Wow. So expensive, huh? I have a doctor.
Insurance.
I need to get my bistec. Kutsara. Wala akong kutsara. Wala yung bistec? Wow, das ist Pilapil. Das ist Pilapil. Best Pilapil.
What does he say?
Falafel.
Falafel.
Ah, Falafel.
Was Kichererbsen.
Guten Appetit! Kain po ka, guys. Let's eat. My doctor says.
And he says,
He
it's
said,
not good for you.
and I said, my doctor says don't eat meat. And what I'm doing, I eat. And I said,
You said this.
Hi, guys. We're going to Lidl. Kasi
Welcome back to another vlog with Oliver Kagas.
I already said welcome back earlier. So today, now we're going to Lidl, and we are in Lidl. We want to buy something, and I saw Egbert earlier. He drove here, so I said, "Oh, Lidl," because normally we'll go to a river, but I said, "Oh, Egbert is there. We'll go to Lidl." So we decided to go to Lidl.
Yeah, but he's not here. I can't see him.
You can see him. I cannot see him also. So it's a tie.
Maybe he's not in Lidl.
Wo denn?
Vielleicht woanders hingegangen.
Echt?
Vielleicht wollte er gar nicht in Lidl.
So guys, nakita po namin si Egbert. Ay, si Egbert to, yung sakyan na yan na maliit. Ah! Si Egbert. So yung binili namin na iba, yung binili niya na drinks, pinadala na din dun sa sakyan ni Egbert para hindi na siya magbit-bit. It's a good idea, right? Oh yeah, Mac, may rucksack kapot. Okay. Yeah, Mac kapot.
Sind ja nur meine Sachen drin.
This is fun, Amsterdam. And now you make it broken. Yeah.
Was ist das?
Guys, before tayo uwi sa bahay, I will show you our Japanese garden here in Badlaasper. Hindi ko pa to napakita sa inyo before, di ba, yung Japanese garden. Bago ko lang din to na nakita. Uy, ang isa, nag-video-video. Uy!
3D effect.
3D, yeah. You're in the background. So, ipakita ko sa inyo. So, ito pong mga, ano na to, itong mga puno na to, at yung tao na yan, vlog langan, ito ay guava, look, bayabas. Joke, that is apple, mga apple yan. So, kapag harvest time na, pupunta tayo dito, at pwede tayo makaharvest nito, sana libre. Ito din, apple ata to? Yes, apple din. Ay, apple or berne? I think it's berne, no? So if it's already, if we can eat that here, it's free? Is it free?
No.
Really?
Not official, but this is not ready, these apples.
Yeah, but if it's okay, if it's already ripe, we can get it for free, or?
Nobody will judge you, but it's not okay, it's a private thing.
It's not private, this is a garden.
Don't ask me!
Don't ask.
This is not
Yeah.
a garden for public.
Look, Japanese garden. This is apple also, no?
Yeah.
Tingnan niyo po. Wow.
The apples, yeah.
So here also, look. On this one, is this apple also?
And really red? Maybe?
Ah, yeah, apple.
I'm
Apple.
apple brine.
In this one, this is apple. This is not apple, right?
This is apple.
Green.
Green apple.
In this one, that one. Wow, I think it's crunchy, no? Look.
Yeah. They are ready in autumn.
Wow.
Apples are autumn
So,
fruits.
in autumn, we'll go back here because you know what I mean. Why we're going to go back here?
Yeah, but I think they are gone, the apples.
Yeah, why? Because the birds.
Everybody wants this,
Uh-huh.
I think.
Okay. Here also apple. Daming apple dito eh. So, let's go here. You need to make your vlog also.
Ich habe nur noch 20% Akku.
Oo. So, ito yung little garden. Kita-kita niyo yan? Hindi ko pa ito nakita ba? Bago ko lang to sa mata ko. Yan. Oh. Dito lang to sa Badlaaspe. So, pwede tayo mag-aratana-aratana dyan. May mga bush. Yan. Uy, may kawayan gani. Oh, ka guys. And here, look. Ah. Ito bush. Uy.
Camera. So much cameras.
We need a third one. Yan ka guys. So that's it. So ka guys, uuwi na kami and I am going to end this vlog. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa vlog natin today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe Joey Renninghoff.
That's me.
That's you, yeah.
That's finished.
Please like and
finish for
subscribe.
today.
Yeah. You can make it also in your vlog. Bye-bye.
When I asked my Filipino friend, and he's not in the mood, he said, Pakilum dira, sigiranak, bosila, imung bagba.